Hello, what's going on? Nikki Tutorials today just posted a video of a new challenge, and I had another video lined up today. I'm just gonna push that back to another time because I was too inspired and excited to let this slip by. So the challenge is the Google Picks My Makeup challenge. The challenge is simple. You go into Google, you type in the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name, and then look and then image search that, and the first image that comes up is what you use as your inspiration. I got so lucky, I tell you what. So basically what it is here is some paint swatches from a Sherwin-Williams site. SW, Sherwin-Williams, Savannah Whitaker, same thing. As you can see, there's a lot of inspiration here. Warm colors mostly. Now the problem that I have with warm colors is this mop on my head. Warm colors generally tend to not look great on me, so I usually try to keep to more cool tone things, but I guess, you know, we're gonna just give it a shot today. And I haven't done like a makeup tutorial in a long time, like one where I'm actually trying to do something that looks good, so I'm excited. So we'll start out today with the primer. This is the Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Matte Poreless Fit Me Foundation by Maybelline. Next, for concealer, I am going in with the, I think this is shade 0 by Limelight by Alcone. Still my holy grail concealer. I honestly, do not like using any other concealer than this. Next, I'm gonna set under my eyes with the Fit Me powder by Maybelline. Next, we're gonna do brows. I got this brow power pencil from BoxyCharm a few months ago, and I'm still using it today. I love it. And then what I like to do next on my eyebrows is I like to just take a brown eyeshadow and I don't really know, set it, I guess, but also add more detail. Splendid! All right, so fun stuff. So this look is obviously gonna be focused around browns, oranges, gold, yellows, reds, warm colors. So obviously the bronzing is going to be an important factor here, so I am going to use the bronzer out of this Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. I got this out of a BoxyCharm too, but this is an amazing bronzer. I was thinking I was going to use another blush, but I'm actually looking at the picture again, and it kind of looks like this color in this Pure palette kind of looks like that Everglow color, that kind of orangey color. I'm feeling like I should use it just for the sake of inspiration, I guess. This blush is also very illuminating, so like the shine that you see on that little paint swatch, I forgot how pretty this blush is under these lights. And then what I like to do before I put my highlight on is to just go ahead and powder the rest of my face just to set it all in place. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. Let's do some highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Tarte Pro Glow first. This is in the shade Exposed. This is like a cream highlight. Well, I guess it says it's a liquid highlighter, but it's more creamy. And then I went ahead and dug out the most gold highlight that I have that doesn't show up on my skin. You know what I mean? Like it still looks like a highlight. This is also by Tarte. This is also in the shade Exposed, so it's like the powder version of this. Okay, so the base is set, and now it's time for like the real fun stuff. I keep saying that, it's stupid. So, I could go a lot of different ways with this, but I want to glam. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start this eye look out with the Soiree Diaries palette. I'm gonna go ahead and do a base color first. Yeah, I'll do Socialite first and maybe throw in a little bit of Gala. I'm really trying to figure out what direction I want to go with this. This is really hard. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead in and grab this Stunner shade. It's like a reddish brownish color. And then I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Pro palette and use this edgy shade. And then I think I'm just gonna go one more darker with that smoked color, just to give some good depth. For my bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with this Whimsy shade. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this brown color too. Okay, we are smoked to filth. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do like a half cut crease here. I'm gonna take a little Tarte Shape Tape and do that real quick. Okay, so I like to take any opportunity that I have to use this Golden Becca highlighter. This is the shade Prosecco Pop. It is too dark for my skin tone, so it would look great on my eyelids as a shimmery gold color. So I'm gonna do that. Now I think I took my cut crease out too far, so I'm gonna touch up here a little bit and bring the brown back in a little more. And then, girl, you know what it is. So I'm going in with the NYX glitter primer and just patting that on my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with the Sunbeam eyeshadow palette by Glamier and use this gold color. I haven't worn glitter on my eyes in a long time. Okay, so then I guess I'm gonna go ahead. I'll do a wing liner. Yeah, why not? Wing liner just saves every look ever. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and use this mascara by Tarte. And I would put fake lashes on, but I was not prepared and I don't have any. Just realized I forgot to line my bottom waterline, so that's a cute look. Now to do my inner corner highlight and my brow highlight, I'm gonna go back in with this, what's it called? Exposed. Okay, eyes are done. Now I was debating, as far as lips go, there's like a bright red, and then there's also like a grayish color. I don't ever wear red lipstick. Might as well do it for a YouTube video. Okay, and that is it. Let's do a show-off montage, shall we? So I actually really like the eye look. Red lipstick is never my favorite. I don't love it, but I felt like I kind of had to. Gray just wouldn't have been right, you know? More often than not, I don't like to do a strong eye with a strong, bold lip, so I guess it's just something different today. So this was fun, and I'm wondering like how often one person can do this. Like how often does Google update their list of images? I don't know. But I would encourage anyone else to do this too. This is a lot of fun, and I don't think it came out bad. Although honestly, I got really lucky. After watching Nikki's video, I'm just like, damn, I could have been way worse off. I am not a makeup channel or a makeup artist by any means, so I generally do a lot of other stuff. So if... What? Hi, Sparrow. If you like this, or if you like other stuff, I do a lot on this channel, so go ahead and click the subscribe button below. All my social media is down below. And this was fun, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. I upload videos every Tuesday. Okay, bye!